Today I'm going to show you what happens when you mix hydrogen peroxide, baking powder, and salt together. I discovered this experiment when I was just putting random stuff together to see if there would be any kind of cool reaction so I could put it on my YouTube channel, and I found a cool one. First, just put in a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and put in some baking powder. But now, watch what happens when I put the salt in. It turns purple. And I don't know how it turns purple. Maybe it's some kind of poison gas that's about to kill me. But I've done it before and I haven't died yet, so I don't know. If you know how it turns purple, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and comment.